Here and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing my 1,000 view special. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. You know, I'm almost to a 50 subscribers. Thank you especially Bills Mafia and Gamer God. You know, they're trying to get me up to 50 subs. I appreciate it so much, guys. All the community here. You know, subscribers and iTunes. Even if you're not subscribed and you just watched my video once, I appreciate it so much that you gave me a chance. And I have 1,000 views now. That is really small by YouTube standards, I know, but for me, that's really great. I thank you so much for that. And again, school's just been, you know, school's been busy. And also I was helping my friend Saleem, aka Slimy Boy, that's his YouTube name, for his first proper video on his YouTube channel. This is the 1,000 view special, guys. And you can see I'm not on Google Chrome, on an application like Civ 6. I am on my desktop. You can see my OBS here. You can see the beautiful city of Philadelphia with the Eagles logo on it. I really love this background, by the way. It's really clean and nice. So, yep, this is my background. And I use dark mode. So, I don't know. I like the dark themes on any website. Or like any software you're like using, because I think it's easy on your eyes. And don't get me started about Discord light theme. Discord light theme's terrible. I don't know how people use Discord light theme. It's like it's not really easy on your eyes. So I really like dark mode. So enough getting sidetracked about dark mode and light mode on different dark mode and light theme on different stuff. I just think dark theme is pretty cool. But anyways, the point is, I apologize for getting sidetracked. Basically, I think this is gonna be a fun video, just showing you how I make my videos on a day-to-day basis, and maybe, you know, you can like not really sympathize, but you can see how you know. Well, mostly I procrastinate, but you know how like you can see the process of how long it really takes to make one of my videos. So I'll be showing you two types of videos. A gaming video, or you know, like a gaming video on another application, and I'll be showing you how to crop it. So if you're on like a flash game website, on a flash game website, and you're trying to play a game, how to crop it so you only see the game and not the ads around it. Because when I'm playing Retro Bowl, I have my OBS here, and I have my Google Chrome here. And I'll make my OBS smaller. Then I crop it. Then I crop it and make it so that the Google Chrome I'm seeing here, like when I see the Google Chrome here, it has a ton of ads and stuff. And over here, it just shows my Retro Bowl. So I have it side by side. So when on my Retro Bowl videos, that's on the Retro Bowl like screen you always see in my videos is definitely not what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a ton of ads when I'm playing the game, and you can see in my edited videos, like, you know, there's like this icon that pops up, and that icon, every time I'm editing, whenever I see that icon in the video, that shows me that I have to cut that part, cut the part after the icon bouncing up, because that's when an ad plays. So honestly, I don't think there's much trouble with ad playing, but you know, just for convenience, I want to take that ad out because nobody cares about it, and it just makes the gameplay look cleaner. All right, so guys, I'll be right back, and I'll show you gameplay. I'll show you gameplay inside an application and how I do it. Be right back, guys. And I've opened up Roblox on the application so that I'll show you. So now I'm going to show you how to record the full screen. First, you have to open up OBS. I'll put the link in the description to download it. I had it at the start of the video. Just click on the link and then click on download for either Windows 10 or Mac, whatever software you're using. And then basically just follow the instructions to download OBS. And once you have it, go to your applications and open up OBS, and it will come to this page. Now I already have stuff added, so let me just remove this and show you how to add this. So cool. Alright, so but what you have to do over here is, here's the sources right here. Scenes, I don't really mess around with scenes that much, so I don't really know how to use that. But sources right here, you can get the plus, or you can click right click, hover over add, and you can click, and you can click anything. Alright, so what you have to do is, I'm just going to use right click to add a source. Add a source however you want. You have to add first, if you want to record your screen, display capture. Okay, this is what I use for most of my videos. Unless it's a sports talk, I record the audio here, and then I make pictures and put it in my editing software and overlap them. You get what I mean? Don't really need to name anything. Press OK. And a weird thing it does, by the way, you can crop it to a window and Google Chrome if you have it, but we're not really doing window here, so you can click none and not mess with that. The weird thing it does when you do that is just it makes it super big, but that's fine. If you see right here, there is a red square. You just click and hold, and you size it down. Now once you size it down and you put it up here again, you size it down again. Once it's sized down and it's really small like this now, just put it in the corner right here. It'll snap in. Then on the bottom red square here, hold it, click and hold, and then now it's doing the entire one. Now you have that in, right? You can add let's see, you can add video capture device, which is your face cam. You click OK and you look at the device, and I'm not showing my face, everyone. I'm just saying over here, you could click, if you have a webcam connected, then it will drop down here. I only have built-in stuff, which works kind of surprisingly kind of well. So you can do that. However, I'm not going to do that right now. So let's just, if you want to remove, right click on it, click remove, and that's how you do it. Or you could click on it and then press the minus here. Yes, you want to remove that. And if you want to, you can do an audio input capture to get more of the sound inside. So let's do that. I put screen flick loop back in here, but I don't want to use it that much. So let's do that. And now we have both of those. So now if you want to start recording, it's pretty simple. But first, I forgot to say this. Go to your settings. If you want to know where your recording file and what file type you want and where it will land, then just go to recording path right here. You click browse. Takes a little while. Hold on. Okay, come on. There we go. And you click. And you click if you want it to be on your desktop. No matter if you're on a Windows 10, Windows 10 or Mac, you can just click desktop and it'll go to your desktop right here. Right now, I'm actually using QuickTime Player to record the thing. So this is from QuickTime Player because I can't really show how to click the start recording with OBS. So I'm using a secondary right here. But basically, if you want to use OBS, that's how you do it. All right, that's how you select the recording path and where it goes to your computer, and you can do recording format. I highly recommend MP4. It works with almost anything. You can do a converter, but most online free web converters, anything above 1 gigabyte, they're just gonna stop you right there. So I really recommend MP4. This warning here, I don't really like power losses and all that. That doesn't really happen that often here. So I don't know about y'all, but I really ignore this warning. Nothing really bad has happened when I put it to MP4. And streaming, I won't really talk about streaming this video. Maybe if you like this video a lot and you want me to do streaming, I'm not really that much of an expert on it. I don't use StreamYard that much because my friends definitely in the sports area use StreamYard. I don't use StreamYard a lot, and I don't use streaming at all. Like, only once I did a test, so maybe another video for that. So after all of this is set up, okay, you can put the volume down here. All right, after all of that is set up, basically you can just click start recording and click it. and now it's started recording. There's an encoding overload. If it says this, might want to put your settings, graphics quality down. Like go to settings, and then I believe, I don't know where it is yet. I think this is it, and somewhere else. So like put your quality down. But anyways, when you click start recording, it will say how much you've been recording by. If you're live streaming, how much you've done it, frames per second, and yeah, basically the speed. So click on the game you want to do. Right here, I just chose Roblox Islands real quick, and oh, what the heck? I don't know where this is right now. It normally spawns me on my island. Okay, that's weird. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, this is weird. I think this is an update, but okay, whatever. I'll just keep this in. So yeah, if you're doing this, it will record your gameplay here and all of it. If you're doing the entire stream, it totally. If you go off the desktop, it will totally, you know, record everything. So you're good to go. All right. Okay. So yeah, that's how you do a full recording of that. All right. So once you're done, you can go out of the application and you can click stop recording. Once you do that, then it's done, and it will. Since I've set it to a folder of mine that I always use, go to YouTube, Solomon, and also my friend Saleem here. I edit his videos, so I save them here. OBS recordings, and then as you can see, the video right here is basically where it has been saved. So, and it will show everything. So let's see. The desktop, it will tell you, you know. And yeah, that's that. Alright, that's how you do it for a full screen. I will show you how to do it on Google Chrome if you want to crop a certain game without it showing any ads. So I'll be right back with that. Oh, and also after I've shown different recording types, I will also show you some tips to edit on my editing software, Shortcut. I'll also tell you how to do the upload process. All right, guys, be right back. I'm gonna show you how to do the harder one, which is Google Chrome. So first, it's gonna be next to us. So basically, we need to make it a little smaller. And now we need to go here. By the way, don't ask. I basically use this. Just for just to make sure my computer does not turn off. So basically, we're gonna be showing you. I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. Retrable. So over here, there's Retrable. Let's see. Will an ad play? No, it will not. So obviously, you can see it is my Miami Retrable series. By the way, we only have 3 weeks left, so I hope we can win all of these. Be 14-2. So yeah. All right. So basically, what we have to do is we have to basically minimize it, and we basically have to drag it out here. Don't make it too small. Let's just make it about this, and okay, you can see right here. Let's make this a bit smaller. Let's actually make this small then, or smaller. Okay, there. It can overlap this. You can see all of these ads in different games that I am not really. I think that's, you know, unacceptable to like show them here, because you should just show the full game. So basically, what we need to do is right click. Okay, let me show that again. Right click, click filters. Excuse me. All right. Once you click filters for the display capture, make sure it's this. Press the plus button and do crop/pad. Okay. When you do crop/pad, basically, what you have to. Oh wait, hold up. I forgot. Hold on. First of all, if you have display capture already, right click, click properties first. Click to window, and click play Google Chrome and Retrable, like the window, right now. Okay, close that. So there. Now click it. Now it's the Google Chrome, but it's pretty uneven right now, and also showing everything else. So now you click filters, and then you click the plus button, and then you click crop add. You can name it whatever you want. And then what you have to do is you have to, type in a different number. Let's try 200. Nope, it did not work because we have to do it this. We won't show this thing here. You have to do this, 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 and this. All of this. So we have to crop it right. 300, that's almost there. So let's do 350. There you go. Perfect. Then we go to top. You can see the top. Let's just estimate. How about 200? Perfect. All right. Right. Okay, right's a lot. So let's just do 700 to start. That's too much. 600. A little too much too. 550. That's perfect. Bottom. Let's do 500. That's too little. 800. Almost there. 850. Almost there again. 880. 880. I think looks to be good. So once we do that, we just click enter. And now once you do that, it's going to be a perfect square and it's not going to be uneven. Then you do it just like you would on the previous clip. Look at this bottom square over here. Click and hold. And hold on a second. It looks like it's missing the corner there, but honestly that's good enough. If you're a perfectionist, that might not be that good enough for you, but for me, yeah, that's good enough. I think that's pretty good. So I'm not gonna be a perfectionist and try to perfect that much because as you can see, hold on a second, it misses it a bit. But here, if I do it like that, it still looks good. So honestly, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I think it shows the entire gameplay. So let's just move it here a little bit. And once you do that, if you go onto this side over here, and hold up. Let me just adjust that. There. If you go on this side, you can see that I can play. And yes, I'm on dynamic. I'm not on hard because I suck. Roster. You can see the roster if you know the Miami Retroball series. Hassan Carson, our first pick in the draft, and we have Weddle Seaprin. I think this is a pretty good squad. Boster's toxic though. I think we need a DB linebacker. I think we're gonna get better D linemen, honestly. And hold on. And maybe another running back. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, that's how you do it over here. And let me just do a few gameplay. Once I do the gameplay over here, I will click the reload button and it will reset all of the progress. So if you just did a little bit of the game, and you click restart and you didn't complete the full game, it will not save it. So no worries. Akeem McCain was late for training today. Fine, he's already toxic anyway. Well, this is not going to be saved, so I hope that question doesn't come again. So let's just play around with this. Okay, complete. Alright, so now you can see, by the way, I'm on QuickTime Player, not OBS right now, so it's recording the entire thing. OBS is not. Oh, by the way, always remember, click start recording, okay? And there, now, you can do it here. Pass the default. There we go. We got the first down. And look, you can see I'm looking here. Honestly, I think on some games on Pokey there's a full screen, but it also shows this part. I'm kind of making it too complicated right now with the recording. But you know what? It works best for me. So honestly, I don't think I'm gonna change it that much. And oh, nice stiff arm. Okay, 9 yards. 3rd and 1 though. All right, let's just get a touchdown here, and then yeah, that will be the end of it for this clip that I just wanted to show. That you can also do it with Google Chrome too, so that's cool. Can we get the touchdown here? That was a nice ball. That was a nice ball from Wilson. Sorry, I forgot our quarterback's name for a second. I'm the worst head coach. Alright, we scored 8-0. Let's reload. And basically, none of our progress got saved, so it's fine. Even though some good plays we did right now, it won't be saved though. There, see? Look, it's all good. So, yeah, that's how you record with the Google Chrome my way. If you don't like my way, completely understandable. It's complicated sometimes. So yeah, whenever you watch a Retro Bowl video of mine, you will know that I do this almost all the time. And yeah, and now, well, this one you can see all of the games ads here from Pokey.com. But yeah, that's how I do it, y'all. So thank you for watching this clip. Now we're going to move on to the next thing I do, editing. And I'll show you what I do on my editing. So be right back. I forgot to show you the last one to have proof that, you know, it recorded. Here is the recording here. I forgot to click stop recording here, so you can see that I was, you know, adjusting some stuff. So, yep, it did save. Just remember, you put the recording path in wherever you find comfortable. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the second phase, which is editing. So, basically, let's just do a random recording here. Basically, I'm going to show how to cut unnecessary parts. So I will be doing unnecessary parts in here. So totally intentional. I just want to show you that, you know, I'm going to be doing something unnecessary and I have to cut that out. And I'm also going to show you how to add music and such to your video. All right, so let's just do a random one right here. Let's just do a recording. Click start. Let me just say my intro. What's up, guys? It's Ninings here, and I'm back with another video. And then now I'm just gonna clap for no reason, so we're gonna have to cut this part out. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I just clapped with no reason, so thank you for watching this useless video. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. This is your friend Ninings signing out. Yes, I know, that was pretty weird and cringy, but I'm just trying to make a random recording just to show, you know, show it on Shotcut and what to do with unnecessary parts. So I apologize, guys. I'm trying my best here. Alright, click, basically, I'll have the link to the editing software which I have, which is Shotcut. Okay, you know, I know there are other apps that are better than this. I get it. Honestly, I don't really like this one. It's pretty simple. It's free. iMovie wasn't even working for me. I also have OpenShot Video Editor, which had problems with it, so I ditched it. But sometimes if there was too long of a video, I used that to do the second half of the video, because sometimes this editing software can't get too much resources. So look in the description for Shotcut. Click on the link. You can download for Windows 10 or Mac. And once you download it, just do the steps to install it, blah, 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 and then find it on your applications, and then on your applications, double click it, and it will open up a window of Shotcut. So here it is. And also, you can put the projects folder here. I have downloads to YouTube, so I'm finished videos, and you can see all the videos I made. Okay? So, see my islands video, a double mountain, and also my latest video right here. So that's my Reaches projects. So let's do how to make videos special test. Then you click start, and now you click the playlist. So what you have to do is drag files from your hold on, this appeared for no reason. What you have to do is drag files from wherever you stored your OBS recordings or any songs. Alright, so let's check if this is the right recording first. Please make sure it's the right video before you put it into the project, so you don't waste any time. Back with another video, and then now I'm just gonna clap for Yep, this is the video. Okay, let's not play any more of that. We drag it and hold it. We drag it over here, and it's right here. I'll play in the viewer. And first of all, you have to right click here and you have to click add video track. So add your video track. Also, you can make the timeline smaller. I do it small for long videos, but since it's really short, I'm just gonna do it long here. So this is your timeline, and as you can see, these are the sound waves. And right here is your playhead, where you can move it around different parts of the video, and you can split clips with it. Alright, now let's add some music. Now you'll probably recognize this music immediately, because this is literally the music I use in a lot of my videos. So let's just use Luxury. I think Luxury is a nice vibe song. So let's do that one. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. Luxury by Cosmic. First you have to right click and you have to click audio track though. And once you do that, and also let me show you first how to split the clips. I'll also do it on the audio track because it's too long for this clip especially. Let's remove it for now because we can't have the music overlapping right now. So yeah.
Let's start. Literally the same intro. What's up guys, it's Nightings here and I'm back with another video. And then now I'm just gonna clap for no reason, so we're gonna have to cut this part out. Be right back guys.
Okay, you can see that spike over here. Like when I say be right back guys. See that? Right there. Right just on that spike. You put your playhead, which you drag right here. Actually, yeah, that's good. You get your mouse, you right click this clip, and when it says split at playhead, you can also press S, I believe. Split at playhead, it will split the clip right where the playhead is, exact. You can see over here.
Be right back guys.
Now it's another clip. So basically, this is the start of the part you want to cut off. Now let's look at the end of the part where it stopped clapping.
Okay guys, I just clapped.
Okay, alright. So this is the end.
Okay.
There, when I say okay. Now what you want to do is right click here. And then you click split at playhead again because that's what the playhead is. And this is the part you want to end with. So split at playhead. And now we'll have 3 clips. And all of this that you just did, the split at playhead here and the split at playhead here, all of this is the part you want to remove. So just put your playhead somewhere over here. Actually, let's just put it here because that's what we're trying to remove. Right click this entire clip and this is the stuff you want to remove. And we split it to where the clapping is. This is exactly all the clapping. Now, right click and click remove. It's all there. Now, let's just try to hear for some clapping.
Be right back, guys. Okay, guys.
Yeah, see, it's completely cut out, and the viewers won't even know it happened. So that's how you do that. All right. Second, I want to show is the filters. This is what I use a lot. So to fade in, if you watch Saleem's aka Slimy Boy's Arsenal video. I actually have done no fade-ins on my videos at all. Fade-in is when, it's black, then it fades right to your video. I've done it on Saleem's video that I edited for him, and also did it for my brother Saad, aka Wally454 Gaming's outro. So I haven't done any fade-ins, but I'll start doing them now because they look cool. So what you want to do is click on the clip you want to fade in for. Now let's go to filters. And these are my favorites. These are the ones I use the most, so I favorited it. Just search for fade in audio, fade in video, fade out audio, fade out video. It's important to have the audio and video versions because sometimes you want to fade out audio and fade out video just like in my outros at the same time, so make sure to have all of these. So fade in video, let's click on that. This is the duration. I normally, for fade-ins, I don't do 2 seconds. I do 1 second. Alright. So once you're fine with that, press enter. Also, make sure to mute because, for some reason when you do the fade-in, fade-out, and you enter the duration, it does this white screen and it just, it does this white screen and it basically, blasts music that you're playing in your video. So It's really loud, so make sure to mute that. And
click start.
There, that's how you do a fade in for fade out. You basically do the same thing, go on the clip, fade out, and then you do the duration. Okay, I normally do 2 seconds, but I won't do it here. So if you want to remove one, click on it and then press the minus. There you go. That's how you do it. Now, I'll show you how. Next, I'll show you how to do some text. So basically, if you want only a part, like if you don't want this entire clip to have text, but only a part. By the way, if you split a playhead here and split a playhead here, and there's a separate video here, it will still, you know, it will still play it cleanly. There won't be any like breaks or anything. So only if you remove it is when that happens. If you remove it, then there's like an awkward break over there. Like if you see here.
Okay, guys, I just get back, guys. Okay, guys,
yeah, that's kind of awkward. Like when it breaks here, when you're back and you say, okay, guys. Like I don't know how to explain it that much, but I think you kind of get what I mean. So when you just split the clips at playhead, you know, now when you do it,
what's up, guys? It's Nighting's here, and I'm back with another video.
It's still smooth, and it won't break. Nothing will break up. So yeah, if you just want this part of the video, okay, excuse me. If you just want this part of the video to have words and not the entire original clip, then that's fine. Click on the part of the video you want text on. It's in my favorites, but just search up text simple. There's an advanced version that I don't really like. Text simple, and once you have it, it will automatically do this time code thing, and you don't want that. Just type whatever message you want on here on your keyboard. If you wanted a font, you can do I like black on it, so hard to see here, so okay, let's just change it back to white. Alright, hard to see here, there, that's better. So basically you can make it bigger, smaller. You can't drag the project though. Bigger, smaller, and also this circle in the middle over here, you can, you know, move it around. And that's how you do the word thing. So let's just look at our video right now. Okay.
Click start. Get ready to say my intro. What's up, guys? It's Nighting's here, and I'm back with another video. And then now I'm just gonna clap for no reason, so we're gonna have to cut this part out. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I just clapped for no reason, so thank you for watching.
Oh, you can hear a clap there. I didn't really cut that out much, but you get the idea of cutting out stuff. And now you have the idea of fade-ins that have this black spot here. Whenever you do the fade-in mechanic on the filters tab over here, it shows this black part that shows the fade. So I think that mechanic's pretty cool to see how much of the fade is on your clip. And now once you play it, while you're editing, it shows this, but in the video it will not show, you know, the sizing feature and this exactly. It will show the text. So no worries if you see this while editing. That's the editor's view. That's what the editors see. Okay, it will actually show the words, just the words. Okay, so that's how you do that. And all right, the last thing I want to show you for the editing one. Well, there's two more things. Yeah, the music and the export. All right, so let's first do our cutting thing here first. I apologize, it's loud when I scrub the playhead over here. It makes a weird noise. I apologize for that. Click split at playhead. It's exact. So let's just remove this entire thing. Okay. And it's gonna be loud, so I'm just gonna turn down the volume. Okay, so if you want to turn down the volume here, then it's pretty easy. You just click on the clip. You go to filters. You go plus. Search up gain volume. I have it in my favorites right now. Click it. Then adjust the decibels here.
Click start. Get ready to say my intro. What's up, guys? It's Nighting's here.
There, see that? The music is right there. I really like putting music excuse me, whenever I talk a lot, it's just my throat. My throat gets tensed up. So yeah, that's why I drink something with me while I'm recording, like all of these long speaking videos or sports talks, because my throat can't handle it when I talk a lot. So anyways, I really like adding music in my videos. It brings like some atmosphere to the video, and whenever it's kind of awkward when I'm just when there's like not much sound or music in it and I'm just talking. I really like it with music because it brings a nice vibe, especially good music. That, in my opinion, good music like this, which you don't see frequently in like the non-copyright music. So yes, Luxury by Cosmic is on the YouTube audio library. It is totally copyright free. You'll not get copyright strike at all from this from the soundtrack. So I really suggest you get it, and don't make it too loud though. That was a mistake I did with my brother Wally454 Gaming's video. Made the music too loud and you could barely hear him, but now I've changed, so I know to put down the volume. So yeah, that's your video. You can do way more stuff, like you can right click and add a second video track, and once you add the second video track, you could overlap stuff and all that, but I'm not really gonna get much into that, honestly. I just want to make this quick as possible. And by the way, I don't really use the video track to overlapping thing much anyways. So yeah, this is the video, y'all, and this is just a mock video. And once you're finished with it, and you're completely finished with it, click the export tab. Your screen might be different because for some reason there was stuff on top of this thing, like if there was buttons on top, but I couldn't find it. Or you can also mess around with the presets, like which encoder you want in your video. Yeah, I know nothing about this, but if you do know, yeah, that's great. So you can mess around with that. And yeah, I always have it set to MPEG-4. I always use that in all my videos. And also it supports AVI files too, I just noticed, because my friend Saleem sent his recording as AVI. So it works for that too. So once you're done, click exporting tab. Click export file. Now name your video here. Where do you want it? All around your computer, just select. And your file type, you can do all files. I don't know why it doesn't have other file types. Whatever. Click save. Alright, this is from another one, so just click remove. And also it pops up another video window here. Don't worry. That is basically just the exporting tab. It's nothing basically. Once you click on it, there's nothing. This is where it's coming from. Right? It's exporting here. And you can see the jobs manager here. You can see the time, the duration of time it will export, like how long until it exports, and the percentage. And when there's a green check mark, yes, when there's a green check mark and there's no more shortcut window here, it's saved. It's saved. Now let's go to users, downloads, and I have a ton of stuff here. I don't know. Alright, it may take a while to find it. Hold on a second. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just saved the documents. For some reason downloads was not working, and it's right here. And actually I'm dumb because I thought this, I just scrubbed over here and I didn't see the hello YouTube, and I thought it was just a raw recording. It was not. It was right here. Shotgun was working, right? So there, it was saved right there, and it's in documents. Alright, so that's how you export it. Now the last part of my video I will do is how to upload it to YouTube. Once you have the full finished video as a .mp4 file on your computer and you're done, then you're ready to upload it. Alright, so I'll be right back, guys. Video that you want to basically upload and you're finished with the video entirely, you just want to put it on YouTube. Just go onto the top right where all of these buttons are, YouTube apps, notifications, all of that. Go to the plus camera and click upload video. You can do it another way too, but I think this is the easiest one by far. I don't know why dark mode isn't on this screen though, I'm not sure. So anyways, you can drag and drop the files to upload. So you can either click Finder, find the video, and you can just drag it, or you can click Select Files, and it will pop open a pop-up that will show you files. So honestly, I like to drag files better. So first, let's make sure that this is the right video.
Click Start.
Yes, it is. Okay, and now if you have the final video, just drag it on here, and it will do this animation here. And here it is. And this is the upload screen. So you could do your title, do your description, or you just do whatever you want. It will randomly generate videos. You can upload your own thumbnail. Go to playlist. You have to do the is it made for kids or not. It's required now, which I think is kind of dumb. You can do the recording date if you want. And let's say gaming, you can do the game title like Civilization 6 if you want it to be. Allow all comments, you can do all of that. Next, oh yeah, by the way, to show you the other ones, you have to do this. I usually do it now, it's not made for kids, just because I want comments on my video. So once you click next, the video elements, I never touch this. I don't have anything to do with it. Well, now you can do it because it finished processing to the standard definition, and now you can do it to anyone you want. So you can go, if you click public, you can also schedule a premiere. I don't really like doing that much, so public, everyone can watch your videos. I always do public, sometimes I do a little bit of unlisted. So once you've done, let's just do private for an example. But when I'm doing this for an example, if you want it public, click public, okay, private, and once you click save, basically, let's just delete this. Alright, so basically, it's a private video. Normally, most of my videos are really long, so basically what I do is, since it's really long, it's still uploading, so I'll do all of the information, here, I'll show you again. So basically you just do this. Okay, let me do it quickly. Nothing, private, and then we click save. See how it's still processing? You click close here, and on the corner it will see, normally on the corner it says when it will, hold on, maybe if I do this. Okay, no, it doesn't, okay. So normally on the corner here it shows you the progress, and over here it shows you the progress too. So you can just keep this window open, and it will keep processing it for you. So, well, we don't need this, I just want to show you that. And also, if it's still uploading, it'll also show that. So once you click on it, you can share the video, you can copy the link, and you could view on YouTube. So you can go over here, click start, and that's the video uploaded. So, and you can always delete videos. We click on the 3 dots, delete forever. And I'm gonna do this because I don't have no use for it. And so, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. That is how I make my videos, and now you know what I have to do to make them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again for 1,000 views. I really appreciate it. Please like, please comment for some feedback, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications so you never miss out on a video. Take care, guys. This is your friend Nightings signing out.